to account the loss of the
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related style, and today we're going to pick up the Nike SD Dunk UNC. So I was excited to pick this up because I already handed stock my Jordan 1 UNC. Okay, what size we got here? Oh, it's kind of too small. Alright, so we are in foot action. Let's see what we got. This grip is not bad though. We got the lows. Okay, we are in foot action.
Start keeping.
Dropping by on the finish line. Let's see what they got. We got some Griffies, Air Max. It's some kind of reptile or something. This one's cool. Okay, how about this one? Okay, 4.5. That's 4. I might gonna ask if they had some 6 or 6.5. Jordan area.
Is that a kid shoe?
Yeah. No, 6 or 6.5. Okay, so after picking up the Nike SB Dunk, go and check out the Nike cleaner store. What do they got? I hope you could find something really good down here. Well, let's see what we got down here. Oopsie, that is so big. $39.99. Okay, looks like we got a lot of discounted item. Hey, that's Katie, 49. Okay, we got some Lebron. Ooh, 99. That's too small. Size 10. There's some trout, 39. 34. Got some cleats, 69. Okay, this one's not bad. 49. No buffs. This one's not bad. We got Drifter Gator ISPA. That's crazy. And $59.99. How about some SB? Anyone? $39.99. Look at this in grade school. PG3 $39.99. Freak 2 $39.99. Got a lot of SBs. Nolasco $99.99. Got a lot of PG4s, 49. That was white and red. They got also some bread, 49.99. More PG4 navy, 49.99. More PG4 TV promo, purple, 49.99. How about this one? There is in the next 79. Nike Metacon, $59.99. That's the trout, $34.99. Dad shoes, $34.99. Okay, they got the Zero Club Mark, $79.99. They got a bunch of 10.5. Okay, they got some Air Force One, $84.99. So that's it here on Nike clearance store. I can't find anything good profitable, so and move on.